Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about something every student needs: how to make your project look super attractive and stand out from the rest. Now, I know the struggle. Sometimes you put in hours of effort, but your project still looks kind of plain, right? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to break down step by step how you can transform your project into something that not only impresses your teacher, but also makes you proud of your work. Stick with me till the end because I'll also give you a killer intro and outro formula that you can use in your projects to instantly level them up. Main content, tips, examples, style. Step 1, start with a strong intro. The first page or first slide of your project is like the trailer of a movie. It has to grab attention instantly. Use a catchy title written in bold or stylish fonts. Add a tagline, like saving energy, saving future. If your project is about electricity, you can even start with a shocking fact or a short quote to make it memorable. Step 2, design matters. Keep it neat and attractive. Presentation is everything. No matter how good your content is, if it looks messy, it won't impress. Use 2 or 3 main colors only. Don't make it a rainbow. Add neat charts, diagrams, or pictures to make it visually interesting. If it's handwritten, use headings, underline key points, and keep your handwriting clean. If it's digital, use professional fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Roboto instead of fancy unreadable ones. Step 3, organize like a pro. Your project should flow like a story, not just random information thrown together. Start with an intro page. Then add content in clear sections with headings. Use bullet points instead of long paragraphs. End with a neat conclusion or summary. Think of your project as a journey that your teacher or audience is taking with you. Make it smooth and easy to follow. Step 4, add creative touches. Here's where you can show your personality. Add infographics, stickers, or doodles if it's on paper. Use animations or transitions if it's a PowerPoint or digital project. Add fun facts, trivia, or real-life examples to make it interesting. A unique cover page with a theme related to your topic can also make your project stand out immediately. Step 5, make your intro and outro memorable. Now this is the secret sauce. Your project intro and outro should stick in people's minds. Example intro. Imagine waking up one day with no electricity, no lights, no phones, no internet. Hard to picture, right? Well, that's how important energy is in our daily lives. And my project is all about why we should use it wisely. Example, outro. So the next time you switch on a light, remember, it's more than just brightness. It's about responsibility. Together, let's save energy and keep our future shining bright. See? That's how you hook people at the start and leave them thinking at the end. And that's it, guys. That's how you can take a boring, average project and turn it into something attractive, creative, and memorable. Remember, your project isn't just about information. It's about how you present it. Use bold intros, keep it clean and organized, add creative touches, and always, always close with a powerful outro. If you follow these steps, I promise your project will stand out and your teachers will definitely notice the effort. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more awesome tips, and drop a comment below telling me what your project is about. I'd love to give you some personalized ideas to make it even better. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and make every project a masterpiece.